Yes, my people, welcome back, welcome back. D-Mac again, man. In the kitchen again. Yes, guys, I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to cook a authentic Jamaican style soup. Yeah, man. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this cooking show from D-Mac. Yes. All right, my people. So this is my pot on the stove right now. Yes. So what I'm starting with now, I have some red peas and some peanut in the pot there, guys. All right. So how I do my thing, after the pot start boil up, you pour some water in the pot, that the peas and the peanuts sink, so it easily cook. Yeah. All right, and you just shut him up back and they can go and cook, Yeah, man. So guys, me I put in my red pea soup today, me I put some salt beef, yeah, and some chicken foot and some chicken neck. You will see the ingredients. All right, guys, so this is my salt beef. Soak it from overnight to get out the salt, right? All right, guys, so pot start boil up back again, so we put in the salt beef in there. Yes, real authentic Jamaican soup, man. Okay, guys, so these are the food stuff that I'm going to use in my soup today. So I have a piece of pumpkin, I have some carrot here, and I have some cocoa over here, some Irish potato, and the good old yellow yam. And guys, I get one little breadfruit in on the market. See that? All right, and then we have some corn over here. Yes, and guess what? We have a great other coconut here. Yes, because our thing we are dealing with, So we use the natural coconut. Yeah, man. And then we have a good old Scotch bonnet pepper over here and the scallion with thyme. Yes. Most of all, guys, can't leave out the good old cock soup. Yes. Alright, check back my pot. It's alright, it's bubbling away right now. Yeah, man, so we'll go and cook. So guys, I'll get the food prepared up, So stay tuned and bust up the coconut and grate it. Alright? Yeah. Okay, guys, so here's the coconut. Pluck it out of the box and wash clean, and I'm going to grate it now, guys. Alright? Alright, guys. Okay. Time to put in my chicken foot and my chicken neck. Alright, so they're already washed and clean, so everything is clean, for it. Wow. And just stir it up like that. Alright, guys, so wow, peas actually cook. Yeah. Okay, so I'll wash my corn now and cut up and put in the pot. Alright? Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is my cocoa, wash and peel and ready to go into the pot. Alright, so just put it in now. Get the pot cover off. Wow, pot is bubbling away over there, guys. Drop in my cocoa. Yep. Just pour it out in there like that. All right. I'll put the cover on back. Okay guys, so I have my coconut juice here. This is it. Yeah, so this is my coconut juice already juice out, so I'm gonna pour it into the pot now. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow. All right. Okay guys, so in this pot now we have the breadfruit and we have the Irish potato ready to go into the pot. All right, and we have the flour right here already kneaded. We are using whole wheat flour guys, so this is it. So all right, so we will make a dumpling now and with spinach and put in our pot. All right. Yeah, so the pot a bubble away guys. Wow. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to put in my yellow yam now. All right. Okay guys, so this is my corn going inside the pot right now. Wow, look at that guys. Wow. All right, getting there on a rainy day in Jamaica. Okay guys, so this is my last ingredients going into the pot. With the after this I put in the chicken noodle and let it simmer down. So this is consists of scallion, carrot and some dice of pumpkin. All right, so right you go in there. All right, and a scotch bonnet pepper right in there. Okay guys, so what I do with this now, I have piece of pumpkin where I cook and the cock soup, so I'm gonna blend it and get the soup rich. All right. Pot is bubbling away. All right guys. You can throw this thing in another. Look at that guys. Rain is falling. Yeah. And my pot of soup is boiling. Hey! No better way to do it in Jamaica. Yes. Okay guys, so this is my soup. Finished and well tasty. Alright. Alright my people. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see more of this video, drop a comment in the comment section and let me know how I'm doing. All right, catch you in the other one. Bye bye from Jamaica. That is it. A big bowl of soup after a shower of rain.